everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a really quick video. I am late getting videos up this week, so I decided to do a decorative picture frame. I may or may not get 2 videos up this week. I don't know, it's already Thursday, but we are just going to take this picture frame and some of this rhinestone trimming and just cover this whole picture frame. I'm going to be using my hot glue gun, this frame, and this rhinestones, and of course scissors to cut it evenly around here. But before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Also make sure you give the video a like if you like it. Make sure you are following me on social media so you get updates of when I'm posting, what's going on in my life. As well, if comments are disabled on my videos, I will leave the photo of the tutorial we do for the week there so that you can make your comments on my Instagram. So let's get into it. Okay guys, here's our lovely picture frame. Sorry the video was so quick today, but as I stated, it's just so much going on, so it's hard for me to stay consistent right now. So videos will be pretty much inconsistent for the next couple weeks until I get things under control. So I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys today. This was pretty simple, pretty easy. Just shave down the edges to make it look a little bit more even for you. You can do this with ribbon, you can use stones, you can hand place other rhinestones. I just thought it would be easier to use the rhinestone roll because you could just cut it, it's already connected, and you don't have to worry about using jewel glue or anything like that. But if you have any questions about today's tutorial, make sure you go ahead and ask me in the comments below. Also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you are also following me on Instagram so you can get notified or leave your comments for videos that do not have comments on them. You can leave them on my Instagram. As well, make sure you have your bell notification turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, bye.